can be either laser guns, these can be microwaves directed, they can also be sonic waves, sound beams directed to a particular action. The applications are used as missiles in order to neutralize drone operations, etc. These are advanced weapons, highly focused energy. They use, for example, lasers, microwaves, or particle beams. All of these they are not using any solid physical structure. But they use these high focused energy beams to damage, disable, or destroy targets such as drones, missiles, or vehicles with speed and precision. They convert electrical energy or chemical energy into concentrated beams. Beams can be laser beams, and they target certain areas and maybe cause electronic disruption of the missile that will lead to redirecting of the missile that is incoming as well. They can also target the drones as well. So these are directed energy weapons. All that you need to know is there is a statement in brief from this particular article. With this, we have come to an end for today's session. In case you're taking back something informative, definitely like the video, comment down below, and in case you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel now is the time to do so. On that note, allow me to sign off. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.
Okay. एक हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर एनालिसिस ख़त्म हो गया.
Okay, good evening again.
अरे बाप रे.
I think there is some issue in YouTube server today. That stream automatically switched off itself.
बाप रे, बहुत ज़्यादा साउंड था, डरा दिए.
So in between, whilst explaining you the alarm speech itself, I looked back towards the system and I was able to see
ठीक
that
है. यहाँ पे इडली कहाँ मिलता था?
Very simply, this is not happening at our end or my end. This is pure YouTube server issue.
कहाँ पे लगाएं गाड़ी?
Link to the server itself, and this one here straightforward automatically. I'll repeat the article. Obviously, I will start from the beginning itself. I'm extremely sorry for this from the end of YouTube in that regard. Evening, lot of traffic. It could be that randomly they are closing certain streams, but from this is nothing from our end per se. The stream has.
चलो guys, end किया जाए.